Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. Honorable lecturer, everyone. First of all, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Fatum Taki Rahman, and this is my friend Jason Ginar Madani. Today, we would like to present our final semester as planned project entitled WebGIS Implementation Analysis and Visualization of Full Front Area DKI Jakarta Province. The first background and problem, uh, contact threat fraud and routing disaster, and what's uh, explain and hack population urban and DKI Jakarta. And the impact of flood area not only relate to infrastructure damage but also affect economy and community safety. Offer and still several challenge in deliver flood related information. And the first traditional method, the L on manual report on tabular that make it difficult for the public to understand the profile level of specific areas. The second, official desktop-based GIS application and limited, and because the required specific software interaction and technical knowledge. The fourth, our solution and WebGIS platform utilizes internet-based technology to provide interactive, accessible, the integrate spatial information for both the public and institution. Okay, there is a present applied by my friend.
Okay, research objectives. The main objective of this project is to develop a web gigs system that can manage and visualize flood-prone areas effectively. The system is designed to present spatial information through interactive digital maps that are easier for users to understand. Furthermore, spatial analysis is performed to classify flood vulnerability levels based on important parameters, especially the number of affected residents. Okay, next, that data recruitment analysis. In this project, we use Bayesian vector data as the main data source for our web gigs architecture. The dataset was obtained from the official government open data portal Satu Data Jakarta, which ensures data validity and transparency. The data consists of first point data that represent flood incident location based on latitude and longitude coordinates. Second, polygon data that represent administrative boundaries soon as this district and sub-district areas. The original dataset was provided in Microsoft Excel format and converted into GeoJSON format so it could be processed and visualized using Let.js. Okay, next, architecture and technology. For the system implementation, we applied and three-tier architecture which consists of three main layers. The first layer is the presentation layer. This layer is responsible for the user interface. We use React.js to build the responsive interface. Leaflet.js for interactive map visualization and Tailwind CSS for modern interface design. The second layer is the application layer. This layer handles system logic using Node.js and Express.js. It provides REST API service authentication using JWT and spatial data processing using Turf.js. The third layer is the data layer. This layer uses MySQL as the dataset management system to store attribute, data, and user information. Next, processing prototype. Before integration, the data into the WebGIS system processing was conducted using Python through the Google Colab environment. Several processes were performed, including first data cleaning to remove records with without coordinate information. Second, data type conversion to ensure the dataset could be processed properly. Their data aggregation based on administrative areas using the point in polygon method. This process ensures that the data quality is maintained before being visualized on the web platform. Next, interactive map visual. The main feature of our system is the interactive digital map. A flow in the incident is displayed using markers with different colors based on the risk classification. The risk categories are divided into three levels. Red represent severe risks, which indicates areas with a very high impact on the community. Orange represents medium risks, which requires continuous monitoring. Green represents low risks, which indicates areas with lower impacts. Users can also access detailed information through the POPU feature, including the sub-district name, total flood incident and about population. Okay, next explained by my friend.
Okay. User testing to evaluate the system performance will conduct testing use the black box testing method, and the testing were performance based on real user activity with total 40 test scenario, and the results show the all my system functional and work successful include the register authentication, backend and front-end integration, and spatial visualization. Based on the testing result, the system active and 100 success rate and the development roadmap. And the for future development, several improvement can be emitted. The first
Sabar
improvement
santai, orang lagi buat
is
video, Cok. Sabar, Cok.
integrate
Lagi
IoT
buat video,
device
anjir. Jangan
as
ditelepon
water
dulu.
level and rainfall sensor to provide real-time environmental data. The second improvement is implementation machine learning and algorithm and random forest to predict frontier future flood and event. The third improvement is development and mobile application person with an early warning notification system to increase accessibility. Okay, analytic dashboard. The visit the interactive map, our system also provide an analytic dashboard. The dashboard and process attribute data from the database into visual information and the top active areas. This feature help user and relate intention obtain insight faster and support better decision making based on data. The transition before Cochrane, after explain the concept, architecture, development process, and testing result of our system, we would like to demonstrate the web ES application that we have deployed. Okay, the first login package, and first we'll start from the login packet of the WebGIS application. This package function and authentication system to ensure the only register and email and password. There is also show password filter. The have user verification the password the have entered. If the user does not have account yet, they can select the register option to create a new account. Okay, register package and this packet new user and create an account by filling in several required information include full name, email address, password, and password confirmation. After all data has been complete and validated, user can click the register button to save the account information and to the system. This registration feature allow after to have personal access to WebGIS application. Okay, the dashboard package after successful logging in the user will be direct to the main dashboard package. The dashboard package and servers and the main information center the and provide an overview of flood incident data stored in the database. And the top of the dashboard, the several information card display important statistics include the total flood incident we are 34 recorded, and the total after population with 31695 people total after airway areas with 5006 airway and the number of accident district with 51 districts. The statistic and some are perfect user with a good understanding of the fraud condition of the available dataset. The top of kelurahan based on evacuation. The below the summary card, the bar chart display the top of 10 kelurahan with the high number of the people are evacuated. The flood distribution chart and the further the dashboard provide a flood distribution chart. The flood data in risk category, the low risk, medium risk, and high risk. The pie-chart provides an overview of the proportion of flood risk based on the number of affected people. And the minimap dashboard and the right side of the dashboard is minimap, the display of the distribution of flood location. At marker on the map explain of flood and green marker indicate low risk area, yellow marker indicate medium risk area, and the red marker indicate risk high risk area. Next, and flood map package. The map menu and the package provide the map visualization the of the front area in Jakarta. And the marker represent of incident location where our user click and marker, and the system will display detailed information include kelurahan name, district name, and number of the upset people. And map legenda is of statistic, and the right side of the map there's legenda of the expand the market color category. In color respond high risk area, and the orange color respond medium risk area, and the green color respond low risk area. There are also original static of section, the display of the total number of location based on risk category. Okay, next repos package, and the packet provide offload incident data in table format and allow user to monitor and analyze detailed information. User captures data on kelurahan and data information based district offload this category, and the table contain the file register such data number, kelurahan name, district name, and number of the people, water level, and this category. Okay, next, and the setting package. Script the final package in the setting package in package allow user to manage account information and configuration software system the fence. The first account information. User and view update this full name and email address. The save the change using the save change button. And next, change password feature. And user can update the account password by entering the current password and new password and confirmation the password the button. Okay, and map setting. The last session is map setting. Is the session user can configuration the default zoom level when opening in the map. User can also select the map the will versus an open strip map. Okay, Okay, the demonstration in Twitter have led after that implementation of deploy WebGS system will continue with the consultant sanction. The step consultant sanction in the based on implementing result is can be calculated and integrate spatial and attribute data into WebGS platform as proven to and can monitor effective influence analysis and demonstrate started information achieved from the weather continue. Oke, us all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.